Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eve from Jungle Blends, and today we're going to make a lavender soap with a secret feather swirl in it. I really hope, fingers crossed, that I remember that my lavender essential oil behaves well because this is kind of key with the secret feather swirl. You don't want it too liquid, but it can't thicken up too much, otherwise, well, we can't do our design. So follow me and hopefully it will be a successful pour. Alright you guys, today I'm not doing voiceover because the noise around me is actually not so bad. I don't know if I told you, but I'm actually sharing a space with a restaurant, and so sometimes the kitchen can be quite loud. But today it's not so busy, so I'm gonna take advantage and talk you through it directly. Okay, so I just poured my lye water in. And inside I already put the essential oil. If you're interested in seeing which one it is, it's Lavender from Vida. I buy most of my essential oils from them. I think they're really good cost-wise, and the quality is great. So now I'm gonna stick blend, and I really hope that it's not gonna get too thick right away. Also going to add in some titanium dioxide because I want my purple to be a lavender, lighter type of purple, not too dark. And I don't know if I told you, I also put some kaolin clay in it, which is supposed to anchor the essential oil. Okay, so I'm not gonna blend it too much. So I'm gonna separate the white batter, which will be the secret feather part. I think this should be enough. And the rest I'm gonna color it purple. So I'll put in some purple mica here. So yes, I was right. My lavender is indeed behaving very well. It's not accelerating. It's not seizing on me. Okay, so I don't know if you've ever seen the secret feather swirl, but basically you have to pour the color you want the feather in, which is my white, in the middle, and the other color you just keep pouring on top. So ideally you want the batter to be a little thick, like you have to wait for it to sit up a little bit. If it's too liquid, it will get ruined. So we have to wait a tiny bit before we can do that. And I'm gonna pour the white part with a squeeze bottle like this one, just to make sure that I can really put it in the middle of the mold and without spilling too much. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes when this has set up a little bit. Okay, you guys, still quite liquid, but I think we can work with that. It should be fine. So what I did here, I don't know if you see, but I already poured a tiny little bit of purple just to have a base, and this is the container I'm going to be pouring with, just because the big one is not very practical. And now I'm going to pour this into my squeeze bottle. Just a little bit for now and see how it goes. So with this swirl technique, basically you have to pour one line in the middle. I try to do it in a way that you can see and that I also don't mess up too much. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just pouring this down the middle. And I really like those squeeze bottles because they allow you to control the pour. And now we're just gonna add one layer of purple on top. I'm really trying not to mess this up. At least not too much. I'm thinking maybe I should use a squeeze bottle for the purple as well. I think that will be easy. So here comes the next layer of white. Again, through the middle. And then purple on the side. Okay, so that's it. Sorry. So now the key is to do the trick with the hanger swirl. So basically with the secret feather swirl, you just want to go down once and then come back up on the side. So that's what we're going to do. Slowly, slowly. Put all that batter back in here. Okay, that's it. And now maybe we can just swirl the top a little bit to even out those white and purple coming out. But that's good enough. I'm not going to do anything to the top because the main focus will be on the design inside. Just going to spray the top so we avoid soda ash. And I'm going to seep pop it and then we'll be back for the cut. so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Maybe you've learned something. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you are aware of the next video being uploaded. Okay? Thanks. Bye.